December 26, 1996, the morning after Christmas, a mother wakes up in her Colorado home and finds a ransom note on the kitchen stair. Her 6-year-old daughter is gone, but John Bennett Ramsey never left that house. Her body was found in the basement 8 hours later by her own father, and to this day, nobody has been charged with her murder. The John Bennett Ramsey case unsolved. Welcome back. If you are new here, this channel cover true crime story from the USA, the case that haunt investigators, families, and entire nation. Today we are going into one of the most talked about, most debated, and most heartbreaking unsolved murder in American history. Stay with me because this case goes deeper than you might think. Who was John Bennett? John Bennett Patricia Ramsey was born on August 6, 1990, in Atlanta, Georgia. She was the youngest child of John and Patsy Ramsey, and wealthy, well-connected family. By the time the family moved to Boulder, Colorado, John Bennett had already become a celebrated child beauty queen. She competed in pageants across the country, winning titles like Little Miss Colorado and America Royal Miss. She was 6 years old, full of life. Her parents adored her. On Christmas night 1996, the Ramsey attended a holiday party with friends. They came home late, put the kids to bed, and went to sleep. It was the last normal night that family would ever have. The crime. At around 5:52 a.m. on December 26th, Patsy Ramasaya came downstairs and found a two-and-a-half-page ransom note on the kitchen stair. The note demanded 118k US dollars for John Bennett return. It warned the family not to contact police. It claimed to be from a small foreign function. But Patsy Ramasaya called 911 anyway. Police arrived, friends and family came to the house. Hour passed, then at 1 p.m., John Ramasaya was asked to search the house. He went to the basement, he opened a door, and there was his daughter. John Bennett's body was found in the wine cellar of the family home. She had been strangled. There was evidence of a head injury. The medical examiner ruled her death a homicide. She had never left the house. The investigation. The investigation that followed was, by most accounts, deeply flawed from the start. Boulder police failed to properly secure the crime scene. Dozens of people, friends, family members, and walked through the house before investigators could preserve evidence. From the beginning, suspicion fell on the Ramsey family themselves. Patsy Ramsey was scrutinized heavily. Handwriting analysts studied the ransom note. Some said it resembled her writing, others disagree completely. For years, the parents lived under a cloud of public suspicion. Media coverage was relentless. Tabloids declared them guilty. The court of public opinion had already made its decision. But here it what the evidence actually showed. There was DNA found on John Bett clothing, and it did not match anyone in the Ramsey family. That DNA has never been matched to any no person. Suspect as theory. Over the decades, this case has produced several major suspects. The Ramsey themselves cleared by DNA in 2008. The Boulder DA sent a letter officially apologizing to the family. Gary Oliva, a convicted child predator living near Boulder at the time, letters written from prison suggest he was obsessed with John Bennett. He remains a person of interest. John Marker. In 2006, this school teacher confessed to killing John Bent while living in Thailand. He was extradited to the US, but his DNA did not match. The confession was false. The intrusory theory, this is now supported by much of the forensic evidence. A window in the basement had sign of entry. The unidentified male DNA point to someone outside the family. But who? The question remained unanswered. Patsy Ramsey died of ovarian cancer in 2006, never seeing justice for her daughter. John Ramsey has spent decades advocating for the case to remain open. Where it stands today, as of today, the John Bed Ramsey case remains obviously unsolved and open. In recent years, investigators have been advanced in genetic genealogical, the same technology that caused the Golden State Killer to try to identify the unknown DNA. Colorado authorities have said they are still actively working the case. The unidentified DNA profile found on John Bent's clothing to consider the strongest lead. If that person is ever identified, this case could finally be solved. John Bent would have been 35 years old today. This case changed America. It sparked a national conversation about child parents, media ethics, and how we treat grieving families. But most importantly, it is still unsolved. A little girl was murdered in her own home on Christmas night, and somebody out there know what happened. So I want to hear for you. What do you think is responsible? The introduced theory, someone closer to home. Let me know in the comment. In this video, help you understand the case. Please hit subscribe. I cover case like this every week. And next time we are going to city in Scotland where a killer met his victim at a dance hall, quoted the Bible and was never catch. Bible John coming soon. Bye bye.